Hi, I'm Miss Sophie. I'm teaching grade 3 in the primary school this year.
In grade 3, we start the year with our Who We Are unit, which allows us to get to know each other and explore our own identities. Our central idea is our beliefs and values shape who we are. During this unit, students will inquire into their own beliefs and values and their own culture. They will explore what influences them and delve deeper into the concept of third culture children. To tune into this unit, we have integrated our maths through collecting data about each other and our literacy through personal narrative, sharing our perspectives, thoughts and feelings. This unit provides good opportunities to hear from other members of staff and learn about their experiences and perspectives. We aim to develop the students' communication and thinking skills, as well as strengthen their understanding of global citizenship and the importance of being open-minded.
Hi, my name is Vanessa Adamberry and I'm the grade 4 teacher at ISS International School. I'm also the K-12 feedback and assessment coordinator. I've been teaching at ISS for 2 years.
In grade 4, we have started our transdisciplinary unit, Who We Are. It has focused on learning styles and how we can be learners. Our central idea is understanding different ways of learning enables people to respond to their own learning needs as well as the learning of others. We have also looked at the lenses of form, function, perspective and responsibility. Looking through the lens of perspective has been very helpful for the grade 4s to connect to the Sustainable Development Goal 4, quality education. The students were also able to use their research skills to research about other countries and nations that didn't or don't have access to quality education. The students chose a variety of countries and also compared this to what they had researched about their own home country. They then presented this to their peers. The students also were then drawn to the concept of responsibility and how they could take on responsibility and look for action or ways that they themselves or others can help those who do not have access to quality education.
Hi, my name is Anjana Dayal. I'm a grade 5 teacher at ISS International School and also the Global Citizenship Coordinator for Primary. Our current unit of inquiry is about migration, and our central idea is people and places are changed by migration. During this unit, we will be exploring the reasons people migrate, and students will be mapping and presenting their very own migration stories and focusing on the key concepts of causation and change throughout the process. We will also be investigating the impact of migration in Singapore. And finally, the students will have an opportunity to research world migration stories and trends. All of these learning experiences will be an exciting opportunity for students to also develop the PYP attitude of empathy and the learner profile of being a communicator.
Hi, I'm Shagun Batlow and I teach grade 5.2. I've been at ISS for 10 years. Most of it has been in teaching grade 5 and some of it I've taught grade 3 as well. This year I am the numeracy coordinator for the primary school. That means that I support teachers in ensuring that our math curriculum is really robust from kindergarten to grade 5. It also means that our math curriculum has enough opportunities to differentiate lessons for students as well as challenge those who need it.
Our unit of inquiry is about human migration, so we decided to introduce our students to the topic of migration through an experience where the students were put into an unfamiliar and uncomfortable situation. We, the grade 5 teachers, set up our classroom one evening, and the next morning the students walked into the classroom and found everything had turned upside down. Everything was in a disarray. The room was dark. The chairs and the tables were overturned. On the whiteboard were also instructions for students to complete a writing task. There was shock and confusion as expected. Eventually the students adapted by helping each other. Someone turned on the lights. Some people found some books and they lent each other some paper. Children sat on the floor and wrote their writing task, and some just simply stood and leaned over the table. This activity was followed up by a discussion on how did this experience make them feel. The next day, we introduced the central idea. Places and people are changed by migration. Each student was given a set of words that they had to unscramble and organize into a coherent sentence, which was the central idea.